Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Nissan 370Z. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 132,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and window defogger.